Assynt, guys, you've just closed the main stage at the first day of the Piping Live 2025. How was that?
Brilliant, great to be back. We were here 7 years ago, so it's lovely to be back playing our music again at the festival.
Yeah, you've said it's evolved in the few years since you were last here. Great new venue, good crowd.
Yeah, brilliant. It's nice to see Piping Live keep changing things, keep making it fresh. It's been through a few versions, so yeah, we'll see how this goes. But it looks to be a great first day, so we'll see how the rest of the festival pans out.
Yeah, we're hoping for a bit of sun during the rest of the week. Do you feel any more pressure playing a P-Brock on that stage?
Yeah, no real pressure. It's yeah, it's nice just to play some music with your pals with a nice friendly audience. It's definitely a different vibe from the tunes that were getting played upstairs at the Masters today. That would put the pressure on. But this was quite a nice, relaxed, kind of chilled out vibe.
You spared us the tuning routine.
We try.
Yeah, yeah, and this is your home city. You play all around the world. What's the difference in the crowds here, the home crowd, and the people here compared to
Yeah, so we're actually more used to playing abroad more than back here in Scotland. So it's funny actually gigging in Glasgow. We've been to like Australia and Germany and things like that. But yeah, the way they react, I don't know. Maybe they don't like us maybe just as much as the Germans do, but. But no, yeah, it's really cool.
Do you find them a bit more critical,
a
bit more reserved.
Yeah, maybe, but no, it's great to do a home gig. Yeah, definitely a lot of fun to do.
Yeah, perhaps a bit more noticing of tune selection, that sort of thing.
Maybe, yeah. Maybe that's just our perception, and but yeah.
Yeah, and you're getting together, looking to produce some new music soon.
Yep, that's our plan this year. So we're our latest album, Where From Here, was released a few years ago now. So time for some new music at the end of the year for sure.
Yeah, good stuff. Thanks, guys.
Cheers.
Enjoy the rest of the week.
Thank you.
Cheers.